How to fix ghost touches in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off touch sensitivity. Open setting, scroll down, click on display, scroll down. Here you will see touch sensitivity, and if you want to turn off touch sensitivity, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off touch sensitivity from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software and update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix touch ghost touches in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.